Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and today I am featuring Unice here from Amazon. Big shout out to Unice for sponsoring today's video. You already know, let's jump right into this look. So today I have this summer ready, vacay ready water wave wig. When I say ready, everything about it. So right out of the package, as you can see, knots are bleached, lace is cut, hairline is pre-plucked, and the baby hairs are laid. Everything is done for you. Not to mention, this 7x5 gives you a frontal look, and there is a drawstring in the nape area, so this is completely glueless. So right away I start out with a wig cap. This is a nude color wig cap. I love these. I will have everything that I use in this video down in the description box, but I'm gonna slap this right on my head, and I'm not even gonna hold you. Honestly, this can be worn just like this. So I decided not to use any spray because I'm going to secure the drawstring in the nape, which gives me the perfect fit. There's a comb in the nape area, which is my absolute favorite because I take that comb and I stick it right under my wig cap. So I'm gonna go in, and I am not even gonna comb this hair out because I don't want to disturb the waves. I literally love this wig out of the box. So I'm going to use my continuous spray bottle, and I'm gonna spray this down with some water because this is water wave. Why would you not want it to look wet and wavy? So I'm gonna spray it down to get those waves popping, and then I'm gonna go in with my Mael Air Styler gel. I started using this like last week, and I love it. As you can see, it's going to amplify the waves in this hair, and it's just gonna give it this nice, juicy, wet look. So I'm gonna spray that down. Another thing that I did was I used my wax stick just on the top. Although there were virtually no flyaways with this hair, I was definitely impressed with that. But I did use the hot comb after going in with the wax stick just to press it down. You know, I like to make sure my wigs are somewhat flat up there, depending on the style. But that was really it. Honestly, that's all I had to do to this wig. I did comb out the baby hairs because there was a little product in there. I'm guessing that's what they used to mold them, maybe like a mousse, because when I combed it out, the hair did become very soft again and there was no residue. So I like that. You can get this wig without baby hairs. I'm pretty sure I reviewed this similar wig without baby hairs. I know it's not everybody's thing, so you do have an option to get it with or without. But when I tell you this is like the perfect summer, beach, concert, spring, vacay, this wig, baby. I'm gonna have all the links down in the description box in case you are interested, because you got to check it out and you cannot beat the price. I love that you don't have to commit to a frontal, and I love that you do not have to use any lace, glue, spray, gel, nothing. You don't have to put anything on your hairline. This is a completely glueless install. So once I'm done with this look, I'm gonna show you some angles, you know, a little this, a little that. This is fairly long. This is 24 inches, and this falls at a nice place on me, so I like that, and it is really full. To be a closure wig, this wig is very full. I show you what this looks like from the back with all the hair pulled to the back, and I show you what this looks like from the front with all the hair pulled over my shoulders, and you can see for yourself it is a nice amount of hair. So all the details as far as density and all of that will be down below, and if you want to check this out in some different lengths, because everybody's not into the longer lengths, you can definitely click that link and it'll take you to the site and you can filter through the different lengths. Now I did do a second style in this video, and I'm just going to restyle the baby hairs, give it a little razzle dazzle, you know. And then I did like 2 twists. I usually do 2 braids, but I wanted to switch it up, and I took 2 pieces of the hair in the front and I just twisted it and pulled it back. I have these little clear rubber bands that I got from Amazon, of course, and I use that to secure it. And being that it's clear, you can't really see it when I turn around and show you this style from every angle. So I'm absolutely loving this. I know I've done a wig like this a few times, but I haven't styled it like this. Like, I literally had to do no work. I didn't have to drench this down. I didn't have to brush, Denman brush this, comb that, baby, no work. And the easier, the better, because nobody wants to have to spend hours installing and styling a wig when you pay what you pay for these, okay? So big thank you to Unice for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to y'all for perfecting this ready to wear wig. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I get it right back. She put it all on me. I couldn't fight that. She love when I put on it when it's tied back. You know it's hard to get about it. I get sidetracked. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who to call if you're horny. Ride on it, green light me. I just tell your friends that you really don't dance. Yeah, but I know that you can. Fucking up your plans when you're about to get nasty. Then I hold up them glasses. Summer too hot, not to fuck it up. Is the mood right? Is it wet enough? I gotta move right. It's a level up. Let me hit it up just a few times. Summer too hot, had to level up. Shot it too high with the bubble butt. You should both slide on the regular. Summer too hot, it's irregular. Shawty, she discreet, she don't want her business in the street. Be my little secret, baby, be my little friend. All weekend on the weekend, do something different. Got my attention. 8 figures, big picture, more than just a night with ya. Don't switch up, girl, when the lights hit ya. And diamonds gon' dance.